How's it going, YouTube? Me and Extreme Padre Fan are here just west of Fullerton Station. When you we haven't filmed in almost a month, YouTube. We've just been going through a lot of personal stuff and just not really had the chance. Busy with work and just not really had the chance to get trackside. But finally on this day, we finally get it. And when you believe the first thing we ever see is one of our first ever AC 4400 CSX rebuilds, number 7410. Huh?
It's our first.
Is our first? Didn't I just say that?
One, no.
Yeah.
I haven't.
I haven't anyways myself. So yeah, 7410 and ACE 8418 are DPUs on this westbound ethanol train tied down here at Basta, just west of Fullerton Station. I don't know about you guys, but woohoo! Yeah. And we're gonna try to find the front of this train, YouTube. There's actually a good leader on this. Too bad the train wasn't actually moving right, moving, westbound. I would have loved to, see it on the move, but
like part of it's like I'm wondering if there's another one down in like Hobart and Keys.
There's been a lot of these ethanol trains coming in and out of LA recently in Long Beach, so who knows?
Yeah.
All I know is I'm glad this guy stopped right here. Anyway, YouTube, just wanted to show that. There it is. Whoa! All right, YouTube, here our first moving train. Here comes 573 coming northbound here. Whoa! Oh, it feels good to cheer on a few trains again today. What do we got leading this? 6908. Okay. Whoa! 6908 and 2110. Okay. Whoa! Is that head northbound? There's the CSX unit again, YouTube. Whoa! All right, YouTube, our first eastbound stack about to fly through Fullerton. I think we got an H1 trailing on this.
Should be leading.
I think it looks like another Dash I might be leading this, but I'm not sure.
15432.
Do you guys know if this goes to LA Northridge?
No.
It does not?
Whoa! Feels good to be cheering on a couple trains again. Yeah, it looks like a regular Dash 9 leading.
5432.
It's not. It's a 4000 Dash 9.
4014.
Yeah, I wish.
That's about
4452. Whoa! 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 Oh, 0987. I know. At least it was another Dash 9, not a Devo or Tier 4 over there. I saw that. I can safely say we're on the wrong side of the light right now. My outside is literally. The breeze on the train don't come up here. It's funny, the only time I don't mind DSR if it's all important. Stack up. I'm not referencing that play at all. I kind of figured. Yeah. It's a big one. Yeah, it's kind of crazy. It's kind of crazy when you stand here and you just watch the train fly by your head, What do we got is mid-train here. I don't think there was anything along these that was crazy to you sometimes. container TV. If not more, if I had to guess. I'm not going to go through the video and try to count that. Fuck that, Dale. We'll definitely get this stack with the executive back for sure. Jesus. We got 3 bars of battery on this stand, so maybe we'll charge it again when we go east now. I know, right? No DBUs on the end. What a monster! Woohoo! Jesus. It has a red flag hanging off the back of it. That's interesting.
Basically, instead of the front of it.
Yeah. It does have a front too, but anyway, YouTube, that was one big stack. There goes eastbound. All right, YouTube, now on track 4 side. Here comes 777 coming in.
Meh.
Surprisingly, they're running them up track 3. Usually they don't do this on weekdays, but
Meh leader, awesome engine shoving.
yeah. We're fine. We're not going to get hosed at all. We're fine. Yep, it's 51. Okay, confirmed. Whoa! Confirmed. Confirmed. I didn't have track calendar. Nice. And 21 off. Okay. Woo! San Luis Obispo, it says. Nice, and there it goes into Fullerton. All right, YouTube. Oh, he's facing backwards. Okay. All right, YouTube. Here comes an eastbound Lackalt coming our way with an with an executive Mac coming our way here. I gotta get around extreme harder fan here.
Facing
Backwards. Perfect.
facing the front.
Yes. Woo! Woo! 69795 leading. Woo! Woo! That is hot. Woo! 9826. Woohoo! Cool. That was nice. Cool. Got him. Yeah, sick. We're gonna come back here after out east, by the way, just as you can see, this giant pile of ties, YouTube, they're eventually going to be doing tire replacement around here. get it. Things I get back was good. We got Turbo 7 reactor doing pretty good railfanning wise today, Kim. I must admit. Here's the end of it. Whoa!
Hi, Fred.
Nice train, YouTube. There goes eastbound. All right, YouTube. Here's 2115 leading a very, very late 774 out of here.
What else is new?
I think they're almost 2 hours late, if I had to guess. Whoa! That's true. Whoa! Nice. Whoa! So that's one of the X Games wraps, interesting. Oh, 3.
No! Damn it. 785 sucks.
Nice Amtrak, there goes south. All right, YouTube, here comes Metrolink. What was the number good? 684, about
to Veronica.
Going south now.
I did it on purpose.
I'm in 6 and 7/8 King of Veronicas, 2 drivers.
Yo, I
Whoa! It's an F-125 shoving out on you.
Well, that's not
Nope, doesn't look like Connor driving. Whoa! Whoa! I agree. Woo! 917. Nice Metrolink, there goes 7. Alright, YouTube, here comes an eastbound Stackenol coming our way. Oh, it is a Dash 9 leading, though.
Hey, I'm on me.
Whoa! Oh, excuse me. Can't tell. 4196 lady. Whoa! 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 And a green 7 and 4429. I'm actually surprised David's not here. We're down to 2 bars of battery. I believe we have the other battery too. Okay. Okay, I see mid-dreams, 2 of them. The bumper car is actually sitting behind the engines, that's weird. Oh, wow. Oh, there's the warm body, okay, nice. 4707. Woo! Whoa, there is a high railer on track 3. Normally I hate this train, but I think I can make an exception today. Here's a high railer about to come by too. What are the tracks for assholes? There's a dash 9 bringing up the rear of this. .60 brings up the rear. Woo! Nice stacking. Oh, there goes eastbound. All right, YouTube, here comes another westbound stack over here on track 4. Woo! Yeah, that's not a cheerfully. Woo! 8092. Woo! 4994 and 8115. Woo! Hey, David, long time no see. How you doing? First time in almost a month, damn it, I finally get out to you. Yes. Yeah, there's only no I'm riding all the way to the ocean side. It'll be much easier just to park here and put way right up to the station. Oh, they have that long ass line. I think I might just sneak up door 3751 and sit no one's line. Okay. Because I ain't waiting in that for an hour and a half. That was bullshit. Huh? Well, it was a long line. Easily. What do you expect, David? Yep. One more evidence you need to know that it's a Z train with UPS on it. Oh, very funny. And to no surprise, it is a short train, actually. Here comes the end of it. It's Saturday. And YouTube, here's the end of it. Not too big a train today. Woo! Nice sag, YouTube. There goes West Daily. All right, YouTube, here comes 581 pulling into Fullerton.
See, obviously, you didn't miss.
And yep, that's 05, all right, yes. Cool. Okay, so Nathan was right on. Go around this thing.
Should be good.
Woo!
If this follows rotation,
We'll see. Nice. Yeah, we'll get him departing. Woo!
Once again, this is a north.
And we'll get him departing. All right, YouTube, a quick Metrolink flying into Fullerton. Here's 897. Woo! Geez, they are coming in hot. 695, nice. The X-Devils cab car, number 666.
yes, I got those together.
Nice.
And I was looking over my shoulder.
Looks like that just came in, and looks like they're about to move out.
We'll put that one back up then.
And we'll get 6905 departing, YouTube. All right, YouTube, here comes 581. Looks like they're about to roll out of Fullerton here. Tell me you went about 100 feet in the air there, Cam. You bastard. Holy shit. YouTube, I don't know about you guys, but when you don't expect horn blasts like that, you will. Holy. Yeah, to scare us half to death.
I can't remember the last time Amtrak has gotten me that bad.
I jumped too. There's no denying that.
Still hanging off the palm tree.
Same here, shit.
Okay, so what am I waiting?
We'll see you in a minute.
Come on, 14.
Jumped out of my freaking skin right there. What the fuck? 2111. Woo!
Damn it.
Nice Amtrak. About scared us half the damn death, YouTube. There goes North Daily.
Got enough power or nothing, dude?
All right, YouTube. Here comes a westbound Barwad about the pass with a KCS Gray Ghost. Haven't seen one of these in a while.
Ooh, scary.
Ooh. Whoa!
Damn, Vito.
Whoa! 8132. Whoa! Whoa! Here comes 4535. That is hot. Whoa! Hot. Woo! God. I agree. Blowing up like me. Nice to see it. East side. Here comes the end of it. No DQs, although no surprises. Here's the end of it. Whoa! Another KCS Gray Ghost. Haven't seen one of those in a long time, YouTube. There goes that Barwad west of Long Beach. All right, YouTube, here comes another northbound Metrolink.
The wire one. So yes, it's a lot.
694. There is an MP36PH shoving this.
And it's not.
Whoa! Whoa! I think it's 896 again, I think. Yep, 896. Woo!
Now this one's great.
Wonder what, there was a southbound Metrolink. I think it was just another F-125. Yep.
Right,
And there they are, YouTube. All right, YouTube, here's a kind of a rare move. Here comes a westbound ballast train about to roll through Fullerton.
Which is weird.
Usually these go to Porphyry out in Corona, but
That's it.
this one's going to Pico Rivera, I think, west of here, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. Ace leader and H1 trailing.
Oh, man.
Thank you, those people that walked by, so we're good.
It's going nice and slow, too.
Thanks to having to stop at the junction. Yellow. So yeah, he's gonna have to go slow.
Cool.
Whoa!
He'll mess with the what's down there too. So. Oh, it's one of the brown belt. Oh, I know what. Okay.
Don't these usually go to Porphyry though?
Depends on where they need the ballast.
Yep.
That's true. David, I hate when you know too much.
My grasp of the obvious.
Yeah.
Quite obviously. Whoa! I believe this was 85-20 leading, I believe.
There's also a whole bunch of time
Yeah.
down there, too.
It is. Whoa! Whoa! yeah, I've never seen a ballast train go through here at all.
Once years ago, but it wasn't horizontal.
What kind of train was it, Cam, if you remember?
It's just BNSF hoppers.
Okay, I think I remember that. Anyway, YouTube, there goes that ballast train west of Pico Rivera. All right, YouTube, me and Extreme Padre fan are now down here at Watson Yard in Long Beach. We were hoping to beat the CP, and we did, but we actually ended up beating the Barwad of all things with that KCS Grey Ghost. I did not expect that.
I'm so okay with that because I need some better shots than that there.
Okay.
So I'll take my W for that reason.
It is windy down here. YouTube, because it's the speed limit, they have to go 10 miles an hour. So yeah, don't be surprised that they're taking a little time here to get to us.
That's okay. We can enjoy that nosebite.
Whoa!
All right. I hear him powering up a little bit.
Yep.
Flurry?
Don't start here. 8132.
Could be better. Could be worse.
Oh shit! I got a sneeze coming.
Oh god.
Yeah, the shadows are a bit of a problem, I think. But yeah, we'll make it.
No.
Okay.
No, we're fine.
Okay.
We're on the right side. We're fine.
Okay.
There.
Excuse me.
I knew it. You're allergic to BNSF. I knew it.
Oh, go to hell, Cam. I'm not allergic to anything. Whoa!
That light on that.
That is beautiful. I've never seen the Barwad enter this area before, so this is a first. Whoa! 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 The conductor's loving us. I know, right?
Not bad, not bad. Well, only that was one higher.
And YouTube, here's KCS Grey Ghost 4535. Right here, Nick. What are you waiting for? Woohoo! That is freaking hot. Woohoo! Yep. And YouTube, that's all I'm going to get of this. Just the power Arian Watson. There it is. YouTube, back by CB the Artist. The Barwad is coming in. How about some Pacific Harbor Line power coming back in a kind of stack cars up? Number 71. I forgot how much fun it was to film Pacific Harbor Line down here. Yeah, here at CB Thenard, YouTube is where the Barwad enters Watson and the Wadburg departs Watson. Guys, I always forget how much I like filming Pacific Harbor Line down here. And they're stopping YouTube, and there they are, and there's the Barwad coming into. YouTube, there's action all over CB Thenard. Here's a Tier 4 race. Moving this way. Whoa! Are they by themselves? Oh no, they're leading a stack faster.
That's what the PHL, that's so hot.
Wow. 3 trains at CB Thenard all over the place, YouTube. Holy crap. They are not lying past here.
Oh, hell yeah.
Wow. Whoa! It's the end of the Barwad enters Watson, YouTube. Can you get him, Kim?
Yeah.
Okay.
I just had to fix my lens. And luckily it was not. Ace over 70 anyway should be.
Look at that golden light on 3038, 4566 and 5940. Wow. Look at that golden light, and there it is, YouTube. All right, YouTube, here at Long Beach, here's 3038, Tier 4 ACUP. They just got a yellow to head into the ports here, so Although with a lot of domestic traffic. Whoa! Whoa! They're gonna be going slow though, YouTube, due to the fact that they only have a yellow signal. 4566 to 59. Little fouled element. That's pretty fouled. I don't know how much of this train I'll film, YouTube, but for now I'll get most of it if I can. I got my sweater in my coat. Interestingly, I think ICTF is a domestic loading facility now. Don't quote me on that, YouTube. I'm probably wrong, obviously, saying that. But still. Oh, wow. Hey, Cam. There's another stack on the track next to this guy. It's backing up. Must be Pacific Harbor Line that must have led it, if I had to guess. Oh, yeah, they're backing up, all right. In front. So we're actually lucky to get this guy. Keeping my eyes open for headlights from the CB coming this way. Wow. I forgot how much fun CB Thanar can be if you know what you're doing down here, YouTube. It's pretty fun. Considering Long Beach is not what it used to be over by Dolores and everything. Oh, I just cut a bad one. Yep. Backing up here, YouTube. Backing up. They have a yellow to back up. Waving to this guy on the edge of this. Oh, he's more focused on his job there, which is perfectly fine. I'm actually curious if another Pacific Harbor Line engine, YouTube, is shoving all these containers backwards. Freaking dusty big things. Oh, man. That would have been, man. After the CP lead, I think that second KCS is pretty much the last thing out now. We'll have to head up to Commerce from him. Yeah, you two, I'm just curious what the heck is shoving this big cut of cars backwards. I got this good feeling it's another Pacific Harbor Line engine. But we'll see. It could be BSF. As you can see, Pacific Harbor Line 71 over there again, YouTube. I love their scheme. I love Pacific Harbor Line. Too bad there isn't much more you can rail fan around down here with them. At least to my knowledge. Oh, shoving in with our battery. YouTube, I'm gonna wait, a lot of cars, I'm gonna wait till whatever's shoving this gets back to me. There it is. YouTube notes. Stupid bigger, get out of here. YouTube no sooner that we're at CP Thenard. Here comes CP 8125 leading into Watson. Whoa! Yeah, hey Cam, this is actually great news. He does have to diverge over. Look at that perfect angle.
I know.
Now the last light of day too. Whoa! That is hot. Damn, wish I could get a shot on my phone. Whoa! Whoa! Yeah, no horn from him. And there he is, YouTube. How you doing? Say again? Yep. Especially when you see a Canadian Pacific unit leading this baby. And knowing there's a CSX on the rear of this.
On the rear, I was gonna tell you.
We saw him at Fullerton, so we know.
Oh, okay.
Hey, Cam, do you want to drive down or do you want to wait till the CSX gets up this way?
Let's go down.
Okay, YouTube, we're going to get the CB down that way. There it is. YouTube, I never thought. YouTube, things are about to get a little bumpy here, but look at this. We're doing a pacing video of it. Unfortunately, I got two big rigs in front of me, so it's going to be kind of hard to do this safely.
They should turn left up here.
They should, yeah. He's probably going to get a lead on us.
Look at that beam. Oh, yeah.
Wow.
Oh, you see the big rig move.
One's going straight. Is this one in front of me? Yeah, he's turning. Yeah, he's turning. Okay. YouTube, I don't believe this. Woo! Oh, they're both going left. Yes.
Squeak. You're good. Squeak right. There you go.
YouTube, the road's a little bumpy here, so I got to be very careful. He might go out to the crossing, actually.
Oh, please do. Like I'm begging.
Yeah, he should actually with how big he is.
He's hot.
Woo! YouTube, we're gonna go to a crossing just around the corner. There it is. Woo! Just north of Watson here, YouTube. Here's the CP. We're waiting for him to pull, and hopefully this crossing will get activated here. Let's see. Woo! Wow, look at that. The last light of day, and we got this CP lead here. And of course, he's going to stop before the crossing. And of course, he stops here. Hopefully, he moves over the crossing, YouTube, and there he is. So much for him going up to that crossing, YouTube. We were hoping for a little horn show there, but that didn't happen. Shoving that kind of tankers into Watson here.
Well, the ethanol part of Watson anyway.
Exactly. Okay, so he's backing up. Wow, I haven't had something this exciting in quite a long time here at Watson.
If not ever. I mean, 2/3 of this power is pretty nice, though. At least on the head it is.
Yeah.
The back end is nice.
Whoa! Yeah, they're backing up.
Damn, look at the smoke out of the AC. Let's go.
Love it.
Oh, look at the light on the Beaver. That's cool.
Thanks to my car headlights, looking at that, YouTube. Wow. I don't know if you'll get a good shot, Kim.
How about yeah?
Cool.
Because I'm a badass.
Get him.
Yes, that's how you shoot a beaver, damn it.
YouTube, I'm at a loss for words getting this CP pulling into Watson. Wow.
Okay, he stops.
He did stop, and there he is. All right, YouTube, they just or no, they didn't decouple. I wonder if they'll pull further forward. And there they go. We're trying to get them one more time at that crossing. YouTube, we were coming down here. Here's the slab sleeve in Long Beach. Here is 8149, 70, I can't tell, 7084 and dash drive 5171. Holy crap. Woo! Nice. My car headlights are good for something. They got a green signal. Woo! Wow, what were the odds of running into the slabs all of a sudden? I know. Unfortunately, we're only going to get them here, though. CSX unit cam is unfortunately around the bend out of bounds. Okay. Okay. Wow, I didn't expect the slabs to come rolling out of here. Nice. I love this train. Can you believe that? YouTube, sorry for my bad English. They had a green, so they're moving. Sorry, YouTube, if this is a bad going away shot. It was the only angle I could have gotten of this train safely. Wow. And here's the end of the slabs, YouTube. Whoa! What were the damn odds of seeing that? There goes the slabs eastbound. All right, YouTube, from Long Beach, we're now up here at Eastern by West Hobart in Los Angeles. We got a GB60 M-3 and a Blue Bottom GB60 coming our way. Here comes 116. Whoa! 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 Whoa!
It's 188.
Santa Fe! Woo! That is hot! It's one. Oh god, this one. Hey Cam, it was 188.
Oh, okay.
188. There's caboose on the end of this too. I guess we'll get back over to Commerce for a little while. Yeah. God damn. I'm beginning to think they're going to shove backwards, and now they are, YouTube. All right, YouTube. All right, YouTube. This local is now backing up. Yep.
Okay, Lance wheel start.
Yeah, what a fun day. Whoa! Oh no, my nose is. Yeah. God, I hate this. Lance going so loud, it's hurting my ears. Ow. Here comes 188 and 116 backing up. Whoa! Whoa! Woohoo! Yeah. Whoa! Okay. A couple Gevos are moving this kind of air tables here, YouTube. Very nice, and then they go backing up. All right, YouTube, with the stupid sitcom with 8100 doing the switching. Not the nickel plate road that screwed us 8 years ago. We have one more eastbound stack about to fly past Bandini here east of Commerce. YouTube, it's been a fun day. I think me and Extreme Pottery Fit. Yeah.
There's been so much good shit today.
YouTube, we didn't film it, but there was actually an NS rebuild leader that pulled up to CP Alameda down in Long Beach. But we got pictures. However, we just know this. The security idiots down there, the running people out due to people breaking in the containers, is just ridiculous. I hate that with a burning passion.
One of these days, we need to go down there and film something to show you guys.
Yeah.
But we didn't do it today. But I'm sure on one of our future outings down there,
we should. This looks like a port stack, I think. We'll see.
Port stack.
Whoa! That would have been amazing. Oh, turn on his head, please. Yeah, I knew that was going to happen. Whoa! Here comes 7033 leading. Whoa! 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 4160 and 7988. Okay, yeah, this. What'd you say? Really? Okay. It's good for video too, I know for a fact. Oh! Portray my ass. What? This guy came out of Hobart. A whack-all? Maybe? I don't know. I didn't see. Yeah, you know what? Let's go ahead and make our way home early. Of course, my left elbow is in deep. No. Ow. Not ow, but like anything but an elbow. An empty beer table, what the heck? Size stack here. Hey YouTube, here comes the end of it. Nothing but single stack stand this. Whoa! Yeah. YouTube, it's been a very fun day today. We would have got this to Commerce if this stupid sitcom wasn't blocking it, but good stag, YouTube. There goes into the night.